My name's Richard Jones. I'm the Managing Director of MTI Welding Technologies, who is the UK company as part of the MTI Worldwide Group. Well, our association started back in 2008-9 when FWT were refurbishing a Model 180 machine. At that time, FWT had developed their own weld control, and we supported them in the mechanical upgrade of the machine. We then stayed in touch for a number of years, but then back in 2014 there was a mutual interest in forming some kind of working relationship to enable us to supply competitive welding machines around the world. Our experience with FWT, if we look at the knowledge of the owner, Mr. Yatin Tambe, he's very respected in the friction welding industry in India. So we're working on an even level in terms of communication. He understands the questions, he understands the problems that are associated with some difficult joining techniques in the friction welding world. In terms of supply of components, which they supply us to the UK, we have very good supply of components. Our people regularly visit, we check prior to shipment. There's always a friendly and open environment that this is worked within. And then right throughout every project, the communication is there. There's a structured team at FWT, so we know which person to contact regarding which item. So if it's purchasing, there's a manager. If it's sales, there's a manager. And of course, if there's some technical issues we need to talk about with Mr. Tambe, is always available. The range of machines that FWT have slowly built up is very, very good. The outside cosmetics of the machine, of course, is very high standard, but not only that, the software that's been developed and the technology that is put into the machine really sets them apart from other manufacturers in this part of the world. The MTI participated as a joint participant with FWT at the exhibition, and part of the benefit for us was to be exposed to the FWT5 and the new Phoenix control software. The machine is very small, compact, whilst has all the functions that you would expect from a machine that is really at the forefront of technology. Collaboration with FWT was for some personal reasons and also from business reasons. For personal reasons, it was the knowledge of Mr. Tambe and the years of experience that he's built within the industry meant that we were starting at a level that we could share competently information. The long-term goal for MTI is to create a direct drive range of machines with FWT that will be competitive and have all the functionality that one would expect from a high-end machine. This is the goal and the focus over the coming 2 to 3 years to really establish that range of machines within the marketplace. Benefits we feel we can share with FWT is MTI do have many years, over 40 years of knowledge within the industry, and during that time we have seen many different applications. And as friction welding is adopted more and more in India, we see our partnership being enable a two-way process and support Mr. Tambe and FWT's customers and provide useful background technology that we've used for very similar projects in the past.